Misty Cliffs in the deep, deep South Peninsula, facing the South Atlantic Ocean. On a Tuesday evening, 2024. Let's take a closer look at the mighty South Atlantic Ocean. So this is the M65. You can get two ways, either along Komiki Road, which is the M65, the Slankop Road. When you get down to the intersection, you take a left turn, and that brings you, also they call it main road on Google Maps, the M65. It takes you through Misty Cliffs and Scarborough to Plateau Road. Otherwise, you can come along the M4, the main road, until you get to the Radial Road, and you come over the Radial Mountain Pass and keep on going right on the M65. Takes you to Scarborough and Misty Cliffs. Cool. Let's just take a closer look at the South Atlantic Ocean. And if you enjoy these kind of videos, please subscribe to the channel, like and share, just to help the channel grow. We're gonna make videos of the beach walkabouts. Oh, that's a cool view of the Misty Cliff. The beach walkabouts drives around the Cape Peninsula and the greater Cape Town area, and just focusing on suburbs. So subscribers, just in the text, just say a place you would like to see, and we'll roll out there and check it out. We in the deep, deep South Peninsula, very, very close to the most southwestern point on the African continent. Cool. Let's go check out the ocean on a beautiful autumn evening in Cape Town. And we are about only 35 kilometers away from Cape Town CBD, and you got the beautiful place. Cool. Let's roll down to the South Atlantic Ocean and take a closer look at that. Wow, what an awesome place. And that's facing in the Cape Point direction. So we are about probably 5 kilometers away from the most southwestern point on the African continent. That's really cool. Cool, let's roll on down. That's facing Vincent, which is a windsurfing and surfing beach when the wind blows in the right direction. And that's a cool view of the Misty Cliff. Oh, in the deep, deep South Peninsula, the South Atlantic Ocean is just wilder, and just different. Not a safe bathing place, but wow, really awesome place. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's go explore Cape Town some more.